New version of QuickCAM Pro with a car wizard. If you select the car wizard, it comes up with a library of F1 cars in the Denford 3D models directory. We'll just pick any one of them, this one for instance, which brings in the model. All you can do now is click next, and we're trying to get the orientation of the car into the position that you can actually see there. Some cars will come in a different orientation, and if that's the case, you would just click on the models there to bring them into this orientation. The instructions are explained over here as to what you're trying to do, and it's reading the length, the height and the width of the car automatically, and they're stored at this stage. So all we have to do now is click next. We're now setting the height of the CO2 cylinder chamber. To do this, we click on the up arrow, and when the arrow turns green, that's a legitimate value. If it goes red, it's out of the range and it won't let you proceed. So this is the one dimension you need to know: the height of the CO2 chamber from the floor of the car, and that in this case is 28 millimeters. Providing you've got a green arrow, you can go on to the next page. This automatically sets the depth of cut more than the radius of the cutter below the center line. All you have to do is click next. It now sets the model billet size to match the size of a model block. You click next, and now the car is automatically positioned within the billet, the correct height above the base and level with the left hand edge. You click next. The boundary is extended to 1 in the X and 7 in the Y, and that's automatic as well. This is to allow the cutter to get down top and bottom. Go next again, and at this stage the cutter path is automatically generated. All you can do is click next again, and then you're into simulation. We simulate. You can speed this up and slow it down. That shows you the model that's going to be created. Next again. It now sets the datum for the program in the center of the CO2 canister hole. The dimensions are automatically input here and can't be edited. It selects the post-processor. All you do now is click post-process, and it will create the car program for the right hand side, but it will also create the left hand side at the same time. This will automatically load VR milling, and the right hand side program is automatically loaded here. The left hand side you can also get from the desktop. So that's the end of the car wizard.